In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off notifications in Roblox. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the right settings and how to quiet the pings so you can focus on what matters most, playing and creating. First, head to Roblox and log into your account. You'll want to be signed in so the changes apply to you across sessions. Once you're in, look to the top right corner of the screen for the small gear icon. That gear opens your account options. Click it, and from the menu that appears, choose Settings. This takes you to your main account controls where Roblox groups privacy, security, and communication preferences. Inside Settings, find and open the Notifications section. Think of this page as your control center for what messages you receive and how often you see them. Roblox organizes notifications into clear categories so you can turn things off broadly or fine-tune them based on what you actually want to hear about. You'll see a category called Social. This is where friend-related activity and messages live. If you're getting too many alerts about friend requests or you don't want pop-ups for messages, this is where you switch those off. It's perfect if you prefer to check your inbox on your own time rather than being interrupted during gameplay. Next, look for the Games category, which covers updates from experiences you follow or play. If you're subscribed to a lot of creators or experiences, this can get busy fast. Turning off updates here stops those new version or event notices from appearing, keeping your activity feed and alerts cleaner. It won't affect your ability to play, it just reduces the noise. You'll also find email notifications. These control what arrives in the inbox associated with your Roblox account. If you'd rather not receive announcements, promotional updates, or similar messages by email, this is the place to disable them. Keep in mind that if you turn off most email notifications, you may miss general updates, so choose what you're comfortable with and leave on anything you still want to receive. As you make changes, you don't need to do anything special to save. The settings take effect as you adjust them. If you ever change your mind, come back to the same notifications page and re-enable what you need. The key is to match the setup to your own habits. Turn off what distracts you and keep only what helps you stay informed. That's it. Simple, quick, and tailored to you. Enjoy a quieter Roblox experience.